How's it going, my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be picking this Mul-T-Lock Junior. This one was given to me by Pazzle Dazzle. And what makes this lock unique is the fact that it has these pin dimples. So you can see we got a really high lift in the beginning and we got some low lifts throughout. So we're going to go ahead and throw this in the vise and see if we can get this open today. Okay, we can see that the key does work. And let's see if we can get this open today. So, first thing we're going to be going after is these outer pins. And you got to be careful not to overset an inner while you're going after these. And eventually we will get into a false set that's deep enough that if I let go of this tensioner, it won't reset back to 0. And I'm trying to find which one we have left. Two feels okay. There we go, there's 3. I believe 4, maybe 5. I've not picked one of these before, so this is a new experience for me. Come on. I think we overset something. There's 3. Come on. It's pin 1. Oh, pin 2. Pin 4. Two, 3. 3 gave us something, but I don't think it was what we wanted. All right, let's reset. We definitely overset. Are some torpedo outer pins in here, so if you overset, you're kind of SOL. Three, that's good. Oh, there we go, like that. Now we're making some progress. Oh, okay, so see, I can let go of it and it doesn't reset. So now we are officially on the inner pins. And these ones, you just tap them like crazy and you get it open. Excellent. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and lock this back up and let's gut it and see what we got inside. Okay, so we have the lock gutted and you can see that we have the housing right here. And there's nothing too special about the housing, but the core does look very unique. It has this ribbing on it, which I'm honestly not too sure what the purpose of that is, considering it doesn't interact with the pins. There's no pins that slide in these, so I don't know if it's just to save money or cosmetics, but it's kind of interesting. There's no threading in the chambers or counter milling. Here's the front, here's the back. You can see we got these really large springs on here. And what makes the Mul-T-Lock unique is these pin-in-pin key pins and driver pins. You can see that we got this really thin inner pin, almost like actually it is shaped like a torpedo. And we have a mixture of standard outers and these torpedo outers. You can see how it has a lip right there, so that'll catch on the shear line if you overset it. And it's interesting is these driver pins are spring loaded, so there's an internal spring in here that pushes this center driver pin down. So we have spools and one standard version. Other than that, you can see the key right here. You can see it has those inner portions, push those inner pins up or leave them down depending on how long they are. And yeah, so that is the Mul-T-Lock Junior. Very fun pick. Appreciate you sending it to me, Pazzle, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.